Honey has been called the only food that truly lasts forever, thanks to its magical chemistry and the handiwork of bees. The nectar from flowers mixes with enzymes inside the bees that extract it, which changes the nectar's composition and breaks it down into simple sugars that are deposited into honeycombs. Fanning action from the bees' wings and the enzymes from their stomachs create a liquid that is both highly acidic and low in moisture, truly inhospitable digs for bacterial growth. The processing and sealing of honey also add to its indefinite shelf life. Despite being low in moisture, honey's sugars are hygroscopic, which means that they take in moisture from the air. When the heated and strained honey is sealed properly, moisture cannot be absorbed, and the honey stays the same forever. The oldest jar of the sweet stuff ever found is believed to be 5,500 years old. Thank you for watching FactsTube.